Since it is Christmas, we are going to play a Christmas game. Christmas Rush? Okay. So let's look up Christmas. All I see are bad games. There's no good games within this game. Roblox. Like, Christmas All Out Zombies. Welcome to Bloxburg Beta. Why does that have anything to do with Christmas? Raining tacos. You know what? No, it says Merry Christmas in it, so let's try that. I joined the game as I'm greeted with that is great here. Stupid. Just okay. So is this literally it? It's just wow. It took 3 people to make this. 3 people to make this. Dang it, now I gotta go find a better Roblox game. Here I am again, scrolling through all these stupid games. No, like, Christmas freeze tag. Christmas rush. Save Christmas Abbey. You know what? No. It's related to Christmas, so I'm just gonna stay calm. Okay, I'm in the game. So what we're supposed to do is, I'm pretty sure, no, this doesn't work now. So if that doesn't work, you're greeted with when you spawn, you gotta go that way, so you ram your head into this coin, which gives you a concussion. And alright, so apparently this Santa that is like, look at that. That can't be Santa. Tap question mark. Did it? Oh, there. Okay. So what happened, Santa? I don't really care though, but okay. What happened, Santa? My sleigh broke down. I lost the bag that holds the gifts. A reindeer is missing and the candy bag is gone. Reindeer? So you've been lying to us. What about Dasher and Donner and Dixon and all of them? Okay, fine. Just one reindeer, okay? And how did your sleigh break down? Is it just like, oh, I'm in the sky, breaks down, just hits the ground and dead? Like, oh, I see. Okay, you probably, with that tiny little Botox you have, you probably diarrheaed and your sleigh broke. Okay. I guess I'm going to this portal to, like, electrocute having this. What are these? Oh, God. Oh, so exactly where we have to go is over parkour. Okay, give me your explanation this time. The sleigh engine should be around here somewhere. I'll meet back at the workshop when you find it. Is this like a movie? Like, every single time something bad happens, where the thing we have to do is. If you know what I mean. Oh, what happens if I touch this ice? You die? What? Why would you die because of that? It's ice. It's ice. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go touch ice right now. Okay, I have quite literally just went to my freezer, touched some ice, and nothing happened. Do you see this? Like, the ice is walk through. Okay, I'm gonna come back when I'm done with this part. This flippin' obby sucks. Alright, I am now at the real life site where ice just climbs up the wall, goes all the way across and down. Okay, wow. They must have put some, like, real good thought into this. Oh, what is this? What is this? Is this snow? If this is snow, then what is this? Okay, so I finished the ice snake thing and some diarrhea snow. Wait, what is that? You see that little shiny thing? I'm gonna go get that one second. Oh my god, I really don't want to fall into the void. Oh no, I fell into the void. Wait, it's ice? What? What? That is clearly a void. It's ice? I'm talking to the creator of this game. Second. obby creators, not famous. Yeah, you better not be famous. This game sucks. 1,000, not 1,000, 100,892 people. Why do so much people like this? This game is trash. Ooh, it's a void. Oh my god, I hope I don't fall into the void. This game literally absolutely sucks. I don't even get this game. Like, oh, ooh, I'm jumping. Oh my god, I'm jumping. Wow. Okay, looks like I'm going through a red vortex portal again. Oh, look, I just teleport exactly where we need to go. What is this? Up here. Okay, I'm done. No, I'm done. I'll get back to you in a second. Ugh. Please tell me, what is the meaning of this game? But, okay, so first I'm trying to find an engine part. Now I'm in, like, heaven or some crap. Okay, and now apparently in heaven there is some little screws having diarrhea across the bench. I don't even know what this is. Oh, now, okay, now a floating train track. No, it's not floating. No, it's a train track. A random... This game sucks. Oh my god, it sent me all the way back here? This game sucks! Okay, everyone, make sure to, spam the group with, like, rapid comments saying they suck. You found the sleigh engine. Oh. Oh. I'm good. Okay then. I'm going to... Oh, I found another sleigh engine. Oh, I'm finding so many sleigh engines. I'm making my own sleigh. Oh, you were probably worrying where I was. No, I'm back to heaven with these screws having diarrhea all the way across this bench. I'm going to go over there, diarrhea on that portal, and then fall into the clouds of nothingness. What is this? Yellow mist jumping obstacle course. Yellow mist. Remember that. I'm done with this game. I'm done. No, I'm done. This is great. Fidget spinners now? Fidget spinners? Fidget spinners are dead. Oh, you fly. You fly. You're flying. Who is the, like, okay. The creator of this game needs to, like, actually try. Like, it looks like they just, like, instantly, like, really, really quickly built this. I'm going to have a chat with this creator. Oh, Santa's bag. Santa's bag is within Santa's grass. He could have, like, went in here and grabbed it himself, but no, he made me because he's so lazy. Oh, look, Santa has something to say. Hey, you made it back with the gifts. Oh, am I really good? One of my reindeer ran away and is hiding somewhere. Where do you think he is? He must be hiding in the forest. This portal will take you just there. Oh no, you're one reindeer? No, just a reindeer. I swear to God, you're going to kill my dreams. My dreams. If you only have one reindeer. Remember that, Santa. Remember that. So this game turns all Christmassy to jumping over logs. Let me guess, this is, Killer Snow. Let me try. I bet you it's Killer Snow. It's Killer Snow. This game sucks. Like, seriously, like, how could these float? Like, honestly, I think, I'm done. I think Santa's against me. Santa is against me. He's trying to stop me. What? Did I just fall from the heavens? Why was I sent to heaven? Why not to the devil? Oh, okay. Do you think these rocks are gonna stop me? I'm a strawberry. I think I'm too strong for these. Snow. Snow just stopped me. I'm going to touch snow. No. If I go touch snow and I don't die, I'm going to This game sucks! I literally went outside, touched snow, and absolutely nothing happened. I wasn't even cold. Like, this game is lying to me. There better be more than one reindeer. I swear. If you okay, do I just grab you? Okay, I just grabbed him. I just threw him off the snow. That's why he's gone. Threw him off the snow and into the ice. That's why he's gone. Where's the reindeer, dude? You found the missing reindeer! Yay! Only one item. Wait, what's the last item? The missing candy? So the children get something in their stockings. Is there not anything in here for their stockings? Yep, go find the missing candy so the children get something in their stockings. No. No, the children don't need candy. Oh, I found candy. No, this is the candy. Can I grab this? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here now. Come here now! Honestly, I don't get any of this stuff. Like, so, there's candy everywhere. Apparently, this chocolate, if it even is chocolate, I don't even think it is chocolate. Kills me. Ready? 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 What? It made a water noise when I touched chocolate. I'm gonna go talk to U.S. Army. Do you see that? Look, it makes a water thing. I'm going to talk to the U.S. Army about chocolate water killing people. Okay? You should tell them too. Like, call the president of your country and tell them that chocolate water is killing us. These pieces of chocolate could feed a country alone. Why don't we just grab these? Oh my. I went through all this candy. One of those Oreos is bigger than this small bag of candy. What's even in it? Like, okay. There's like a little void in it too. So, yeah, that sounds tasty. Oh, is this it? Hey, can you find the secret badge now? Okay, look, we just get to hit our head on the coin again.